Shit, I seen a couple of Caucasian people with that motherfucker had raggedy house that had home insurance. They was out in front of the tornado like this. White dude was out there in the bathroom like, knock this raggedy motherfucker down. I'm paid up on fully covered. Thank you, Jesus. No, I'm joking. Okay, I'm through. Okay, maybe one more. My only pothead that was like, hit the dispensary, bitch, hit the dispensary. Flinging weed everywhere. I would have been a happy motherfucker. I'd have been out there like. Okay. Only one that was thinking, I was like, it didn't rip the roof off of one dispensary, you selfish ass tornado.